How to generate faceless TikTok Shop product videos automatically. Hello guys and welcome back to today's video. In today's video, I will be teaching you how you will be able to have a faceless TikTok Shop product that you could upload on your TikTok Shop to promote the different products that you're trying to sell. Now, when you're viewing products on TikTok, you would notice that aside from the photos of the product that you are trying to buy, there will be sections where you could watch a review about that product. And a lot of people are not really comfortable showing their face. And so I will be teaching you how you will be able to create such videos without showing your face or even using your own voice. So we have a great platform in today's video that I would like to be showing you guys and suggesting to you guys that you use for creating your different TikTok product videos, and it is called Flicky. You could find this platform by going to flicky.ai. So sometimes I would call it Flicky AI instead of just Flicky. But this platform is a really great platform that has a lot of ability to turn a lot of things into videos. And an example of the different things that it can convert is the basic one, idea to video, where you could simply provide the idea, provide the topic, provide the way the video you want to be created is. Also, you have your blog. You could convert blog articles into videos, PowerPoints, tweets, avatars, and even product to video. Now, the product to video is a great feature, but right now it only supports Amazon and Airbnb, so we can't really utilize that for our TikTok. So I'm going to be showing you guys how you could take advantage of Flicky to promote your different products. So simply sign up and create an account, and this is what you should be able to see. The home page is basically the files where you could view the different videos that you have created before. I have some over here, but we're going to start from scratch, and to get started, you're simply going to click on New File over here on the top right. If you select this pop-up will appear, and you could choose between video, audio, and design. So of course, we're creating a TikTok product review or a product video. We're going to go with video. Enter the name. What I suggest here so that you will be more organized is that you enter the name of the specific product that you're trying to create a video. So that's a really great way to organize your products or your video. So for me, I'm just going to go with, let's say, product video. You can select the specific language that you want the video to be created on. You have English and dialect. Now, if you're wondering why is it asking language and dialect, this feature, this app, allows you to, or has the ability to create scripts and AI voices to promote your product. So aside from creating a video about the product that you have, it's also going to create an audio and a person speaking, like I explained in the earlier parts of our video. You also have your aspect ratio over here. So since TikTok or TikTok Shop is accessible through the TikTok, and that is only available on the mobile version, you can't really access it on the desktop. It is highly suggested that you go with portrait. You could go with landscape, but it will be limited. People won't be able to view the entire video with just landscape. They will be, but it will be shrunken and it will be small and a bit hard for people to view the content of the video. So settle with portrait and start with idea over here. So click on submit. And there we go. We have this pop-up over here. It is the Magic Create. So basically, this is where you will be inputting your ideas, your prompts, what you want the video to be. You also have your tone, maximum duration, and where the media or the photos or the videos will be taken from. So think of the product that you're trying to create a product video of. So for example, the product video of that I'm going to be trying to sell is, let's say, a ball pen. So create a promotional video about ink pen, I guess, pen that does not fade or does not create a mess. It is waterproof and has very high quality. Now, what I just suggest when you're describing the product that you're trying to create a video of is that you simply base it off the description of your product, because the description would have a lot of description, of course, of the product. So putting it here will save you a lot of time thinking about the qualities and different features of your product. So aside from this, aside from the description, you could then add a style. So you could say focus on the durability and quality it can provide situations or scenarios where such qualities is necessary and needed or something like that. So you could do a free-for-all on the idea prompt. You could be as descriptive as you want. You could ask a specific way of video to be created, and it's all up to you. But for me, I'm going to settle for that. And then for the tone, we could select something different over here. So let's say poetry, since our video is about ink pen. Or we could go with productivity. Over here, you could select the duration. For product videos, it's not really something you need to be long, so we could settle with 30 or even 1 minute. And then you have your stock media over here. You could choose between videos or images. Right now, you can't really edit what your stock media is. So we could settle with image for now, that we will be changing that later on with the actual image of the product that you're trying to promote. So simply click on submit. And as you can see, it's going to be creating the video over here. So simply wait for a few moments, a few seconds. It's not going to take long. As you can see, it hasn't even been 30 seconds and it's already almost done. And that's because our video is actually pretty short compared to the other duration. So the longer it is, of course, the longer the creation will take. And so it's almost done, and we should be redirected to the editing section now. And I would like to play the video that it has initially created as well. So give it a few moments. It should finish up soon. So we're going to give it a few more seconds over here. And there we go. As you can see, over here on the left side, you have different scenes. Scenes meaning it will change into different photos, different videos, all of those things. And it has different scripts. As you can see, there's already scripts over here that you could check out. So let's play the video and check out the output that we have just created.
In a pen that outlasts your ideas, never fades, never blurs. Meet the ultimate ink pen for enduring creativity.
As you can see, it's already very high energy. It has selected a background audio for us. This one doesn't have a photo, so I guess it was not able to find a good photo, but you will be able to simply upload a photo that you have over here, upload the photo of the product that you're trying to promote, and you could easily upload it. So for example, this one, I could just select here, and it will use this as a photo, so let's play it.
Durability tested. From endless rain showers to accidental laundry trips, our ink pen remains impeccable, ensuring your work is eternal.
It is a really good script. It took a lot of the information that we have provided it and made it into a really great script that it will turn into a voice as well. So if you're unsatisfied with the voice, simply select the scene that you want to change. You could also change the script if you want. You could customize it. And you could click on Sarah and you will be able to change the voice over here. So for example, we could go with Roger. Click on select. And if you play it at the start,
a pen that outlasts your ideas, never fades, never blurs. Meet the ultimate ink.
So as you can see, it's a really great output. So if you're happy with that, you can simply click on download and click on start export. So that's basically it, guys. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.